To play split screen games across two monitors, you'll generally need to extend your display in Windows. Then set the game to borderless window mode and use a resolution that covers the both screen. Keep in mind that not all games support this. And to set it up, you need to plug both monitors into your graphics card and access the display settings. Right-click on your desktop and select Display Settings. And in the Display section, go to the Multiple Displays. In the Multiple Display section, select Extend these displays to create one large desktop area and then apply settings. You can also configure your graphics card. For AMD software, go to Display and use the AMD Infinity to create a single wide display. And for NVIDIA, use NVIDIA Surround to combine your monitors into one display. This makes the game recognize your two monitors as a single larger screen, which can make the setup process easier. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.